Screams like, who's he talking?
I'm talking to Jesus Christ! Everyone's Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ! Yay! Dude, I think I drink too much. I think I actually could drink more actually now. I could do it again, but I don't know. How did you do it, my dude?
I got a notification that you were streaming, so I clicked on it and it said to allow
look up
voice
all the
chat or
way up.
something.
Go look. It should be saying a party is being streamed. It should be a button up there somewhere. I don't know.
Include my audio.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, I think.
Now we're going to have fun.
And Jason being a mama's boy kind of gets.
He has a second mouth now, so.
I made a split in that guy's forward.
Bro just flipping yanked himself forward.
I'm coming to get you! I love you. Why am I not playing this guy more? I think I want to see a guy that run around the chainsaw like, oh, stupid guy. Yeah, sounds fun.
Okay, I'm gonna turn on the car battery.
What I do is I lock the door leading into one of the rooms. One of the rooms only lead by in many ways. It means they won't be able to enter from one way. They're locked in so many ways. That's what I learned to do when I played last night.
Oh,
and then this room, I can't do nothing with it because I'm locked.
Where's the fucking grandpa? Okay. Keep forgetting where he's at.
Grandpa's dead, man.
Yeah.
Remember,
I'm seeing ghosts.
Have you ever just played as Survivor and just wanted to flip and just go randomly stab Grandpa?
Vibrator?
Oh yeah, I did that.
Like, you're like running by Grandpa and you like decide to stop and flip and just take your time to kill him.
Yeah, I didn't kill him, but I stabbed him.
I think if you stab him too much, maybe he'll die. I don't know how this works anymore.
Oh no, they're making noise already. I don't like that. They make noise too fast. That means they're getting fucking shit done, man.
Yeah.
Not this door. Oh, they're right by me.
They're already up?
Oh yeah, they're already up.
I mean, they're doing shit, man.
Fuckers, dude, right here. Right on me. Oh, what? That dude stung my ass. I can do it. Correct, too.
Okay, I knocked one down.
No, you're not. She's out. Come here, buddy!
Chasing this guy, he's outside.
Come here! Give me a hug! Give me a fucking hug, bitch!
Okay, the girl's dead. No love story for you today.
Let's be friends. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Yeah, you're such a good friend. You're such a good friend. Oh, you're not moving no more. My friend died.
Grandpa, here you go.
Dead.
Have some blood from the flesh human of souls.
Are they still upstairs?
One down here. I lost.
Turn on the skeleton lamp.
What door did they unlock?
I have no idea what door they unlocked.
The 3 doors in the middle are not locked. I mean, there must be another one.
I hear crying.
Oh, he's going down. There's one in the basement.
I hear whining right now.
Do you go by a well?
Yeah.
So I don't know where that fucking well is. I mean, I'm completely lost.
Yeah. It's pretty weak. maybe one more hit.
Don't zoom up onto Johnny's
face.
It's this door, I think.
No,
never mind, it's not this door they unlocked.
No. He's like the tough guy? Or?
The guy who can push you down?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that guy.
What door did he come up from, man?
New playable character, Grandpa.
Is there?
Oh, you can play Grandpa now?
Oh, that's
totally.
I think I said I found them.
It's not like every step you take, he's going to flipping need blood. I just heard him suck on the flipping bottle to get blood.
Definitely found a way to play the game better. Like, keep this door right here latch so they won't be able to come from that way. Oh, you found them?
Yep, found one.
Oh, they had a door?
Let's see him, Grandpa again.
Lost.
I think Grandma's going to be the next character there. He's crazy in the movies.
Oh, he pushed me down.
Don't you dare
feed him
push
again.
my brother.
Should be coming towards you somewhere.
Dude, stop sucking on the bottle. You need more blood.
Where the fuck did he go?
Stop trying to swallow the freaking glass.
Where the fuck did he go? I'm literally backtracking my steps now so he didn't get me.
Yeah,
I'm latching this door right here. I have no way to come from this hallway no more. From that way.
Okay, I'm gonna go level up Grandpa now.
What door is this? Latching this door.
Found one. Found the girl.
One full lung of blood.
Delicious.
That's not gonna harm any. You're kidding me, right? You're kidding me.
Oh, is that the door they opened? Did you open the door?
Give me that blood so I can level him up,
yep,
dude.
they unlocked this door right here.
He has 1 centimeter of his lungs not full of blood.
Killed one of the
That
chicks.
is bad.
That's the dude that's left.
Where? Grandpa! Grandpa! Hello, Grandpa! What do we do? I see him! He's downstairs. The last guy's downstairs. He's right under the front door area.
Alright.
If you use your ability, you should be able to find where he was. Where he is.
Can't find any footsteps yet.
Oh,
found footsteps.
Yeah, good.
Thanks.
See, that's what I told you. Now you'll be able to find him. Grandpa's almost there to level 3 now, too. God damn, we're gonna mess these guys up. They rushed, but now we're killing them. And this is the only door they have unlocked. Unless they guard at it.
I'm following them.
I'm gonna be NPC walking around down here.
Crap.
Did you lose his footsteps? You should not be able to.
No, he walked into an area I couldn't go.
There you go. That's the last guy, isn't it?
Yeah, he's the last guy.
Yeah, we did it! We all got 1 kill!
Oh, shit.
No, I think one of us has got 2 kills. There was 3 of them. One of them just disconnected. Right?
He really ran past you.
I mean, there is one more guy left.
Yep.
He's right here.
Got him.
I'm a backstabber.
We do. Oh shit, my drink
Ran out of gas.
I fell in love with the emo girl. Dude, this boy fell in love with this chainsaw. I swear to God, I get it.
Yeah.
Hitchhiker or Cook and stuff.
These are my fucking faces. Get your own face. Hey, if you there's a lot.
I get the old face. I get the old face.
No, I'm talking about like you know what leather faces mostly, right? They're all human skin faces.
Yeah, he hangs the ones he's done wearing.
Yeah.
Yep.
And these
he's
are my
feeling.
Faces. Yeah. I have a face fetish, but it's more like inwards, not outwards.
Yeah.
I like taking the skin off the face.
He loves him so much he wants to be him.
Yep. I love Jesse.
Does he use his chainsaw to cut the faces off? Or what does he use at all?
I do want to cut my brother's face. Cause I love my brother so much. I mean the hot one, the one that tracks. Then his face is like, I want to kill him so badly. I love him so much.
Time to use a wooden stick.
This boy definitely has fucking personalities for sure. 100%.
This map has the easiest escape.
Yeah.
Let's go get these! Oh, Grandpa's hungry.
That old man's always hungry.
Dude, he's fat. This makes sense though. We gave him little drops of blood.
They're like treats.
Wait, so do we use pig blood and human blood mixed together, basically?
No, I think the blood should be at least more than it gives you, though. So the game go faster if they're not pushing it. Because there's been some games that I actually had to be on for like fucking minutes. Just because they want to slow it down. They're already making noise down there!
They are? That's uh-oh for them.
They know what they're doing.
Adam padlocks for the important stuff.
Where the fuck do you think you're going? Fucking he thinks he's juking me over here. He's literally going back and forth behind a wall, behind another wall. Fuck, you think I don't see his ass? I was like, oh, I haven't got my chainsaw because I can't really charge right at him. He's lucky I have to break these goddamn walls. Oh, thank God.
They already woke him up?
It means they fucking open the door somewhere. I'm gonna find out. Where the fuck did you retard? Oh, go up the ladder. Go up the ladder.
Yep, I see him.
I just got done adding padlocks to the important stuff.
Oh, they're going up the ladder, both of them. Yep, there's plans to go up the ladder. I'm not surprised
Get her. Nice. He got her. The stick.
You beat that motherfucker. You gave her.
Doink.
They really open that door real fast. I think you should put a trap, because aren't you a trap to put a trap on top of the stairs? Or I mean the ladder, if you can.
Here, I wanna try the code for another mount.
Just coming up the ladder. Or trying to, at least.
How is he going up the ladder? It just came from there.
Oh, she's still down there. She's still down. She's running. Damn, I lost.
That girl really ran her ass in there. Where did she go? Where is she?
I lost her. Hurt pretty bad, but...
Dude, she literally came... Literally right... Found her!
Nice.
Come here, bitch! Oh, never mind. She went by the fucking place I can't go by. Motherfucker. She's on the behind that wall.
I'm gonna go feed Grandpa now. There you go. Have your vitamins. Different kind of vitamins.
Yep, she's going up the ladder. She's going up the ladder. I just saw her. Yep,
sneaky.
she went up the ladder. She's up the ladder. She's up the ladder. Pete, she's up the ladder. Yeah, get that motherfucker. Get her.
Dude.
Get her, Pally.
Run.
I'm the guard dog in this family, okay? They're fucking quiet as hell. I would not even notice her if I didn't want him back. She'd be juking.
Okay, I don't know where she went.
Gotta be hiding in the tall grass.
And this girl does, she's sneaky because she locked the door on behind her so you won't be able to get her. But she didn't know my ass was on the other side of that goddamn door. This door is a serious problem. Where the fuck did you come from? You fucking dead, bitch!
Is that the ladder one?
Is it the girl? No, it's the boy.
The guy, dude. He came out of nowhere, dude. I turned around, he just right there, just staring at me.
Oh, one escaped. From where?
The girl escaped. Yeah, I don't know.
One of them.
Don't know.
Did you guys forgot to put the generators on?
Yeah, I mean...
Oh, I know where they went. They went to the container and then went to the car battery.
Oh.
You should always be looking, my dude. I'm gonna go upstairs.
Yep. Called it.
She escaped.
Can you look at? Can you stay on the thingy for me? While I go feed Grandpa for a little bit, just in case. The stairway, not the stairway, the place where the ladder area, just in case they go up it. Still have a lot of food on me. You should put a lock on this door right here. Did you put your locks down, my dude? No.
Alright, I locked it. Well, didn't lock it. I turned on the car battery.
Did you put the locks down?
Yeah, I'm gonna take this one lock off this one door because I already had the one lock.
Put a lock on that door that leads to the stairs, so it won't be able to, you know, get out. I think that's the only way out now. This door right here. So they won't be able to come out or in. Oh, never mind, there's a way out still. God damn it. Never mind, don't lock it. They still come from this way. That sucks. I should know, lock it. Make it one way. Is there movement in the back? Why is there movement in the back?
Yep, the chicken went crazy.
Oh, I found her! She's up here, she's running with me. She fucking went through a crack, I believe. Motherfucker. You wanna buy it? You found her?
Downstairs or upstairs?
Upstairs, dude, where I'm at. That's up to find me, dude. She's up here, dude. She's looking at me, man. Is that you walking around outside right now? She's outside. She's not in here no more. I'm just locking these in so she can't run in and out. She's not in here no more. She ran out by that crack over there.
Who flexed? I saw it.
Chasing her right now.
She's
back in the
inside.
house.
She's inside. I marked her.
She's inside now?
Just coming back out.
Oh, you didn't mark her. I don't see her.
It was marked red for a minute.
There, now she's marked red.
Fucking chicken. Oh, you little shit. She's in the well.
Break this so we can get down there.
Okay. Let's have fun down there. I'm gonna break stuff up here for you guys. Let's do this.
Found her trail already. Oh! Round we go.
I'll give her the business.
Shut up! Stop laughing! What the heck? When my boy's out of energy, he flippin' just keeps going. Hee hee, oh hee hee.
Boy, he's crazy. Okay, let him be crazy, dude.
Hey.
You found her? You got her?
She's going up. She's gonna jump down there again. I guarantee. Nope, never mind. Go through the crack.
Got her.
Now here's this crazy boy going down. He's having every music blasting his head right now, dude. I think that little kid could definitely involve every music, dude. No way he ever listens to all the jams. He's listened to AC/DC, he's listened to goddamn rap music, he's listened to Snoop Dogg at once, he's listened to everything. He's like, I don't know how to dance, but I'm gonna dance everything. Okay, KP, I'm peace out, my dude.
Peace.
Is your bedtime, my dude?
No, it's not my bedtime. I just choose to just go to sleep. I stayed up until 4 a.m. last night, and I'm about to stay up
until 4 a.m. I have nothing to do tomorrow. I could stay up all I want today.
Bye.
Bye-bye. He's just happy.
Yeah.
They wonder in a secluded place. It makes sense why he's just happy as a road.
Puerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department
Let's go.
says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. A vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play.
That's how it rolls. We have to work together. So our last teammate sucked, but at least he did something there. But he was upstairs the whole game.
Yeah.
But I like that. I want one of us at least be upstairs and out.
True.
Go down the hill or up. One eye is better than 0 eyes.
Yeah.
I'm fucking crack, man. He's jittering. Where are you, motherfucker?
Yeah. They wake Grandpa.
They wake Grandpa, they're getting fucking healthy, bitch. They're playing around here. I think they're trying to do a fast movements. They're breaking all the. They're activating all the ways under and stuff right now. They're just saying I'm doing that.
Yeah.
I see a bunch of them over here, dude. They're doing something. I don't know what they are doing, but they're doing something. I don't like it. Oh, that's what they're doing. Motherfucker, get off my goddamn gate. You have no... They hit me and they woke up Grandpa because they hit me.
Yeah.
I'm going making pay. Come here, motherfucker. Are you seeing the traps downstairs?
Huh?
Oh, that's them. That's them. They're all down here. Can you come down there on me?
Yep.
Thank you, Sexy. We have a whole hand down here because they're all down here. I don't know where they are, but they're down here somewhere.
I think I heard something.
They're trying to open doors though, means if you come down here and the door is not unlocked. Oh yep, open the door.
Oh. Running outside.
Got one.
Nice.
Open the door, ladder door. You can't go up because I'm blocking the stairway with my body. My body's too big for that.
Teammate got one.
I feel like there's one down here waiting for me to leave. They open his door mad fast, so I don't like that. I'm gonna go away from it for a minute, and just turn right around and come back to it.
Oh, found one. Got her.
Good job. They're pretty weak.
Yeah.
To the left. I'm going back to that place that they opened.
Close one of the doors. Put a trap there.
You set one of the traps at the ladder location, please? That would be awesome.
Yep.
I'm going back to it. I'm gonna keep going back to it every second. Yeah, it's good. It's where I'm at, all the way over here.
Yep.
God damn it. She's doing that shit again.
Do you close the door?
No, himself, is that what happened?
I think so.
Can you lock that stairways, please? Can you lock that, Denny, please? want to go upstairs to meet Grandpa, but I can't. I gotta leave. That's the only way they have open right now. I believe now.
The stairway that goes to the house?
Ladder way.
Oh, ladder?
In the back. They have it open. Gotta go back to it right now, but I can't. No way there.
Yep. I'm over here.
This way. You there?
Yep.
Is the door open?
I closed the door for ladder thing. I put a trap right in front of the ladder too, so when they climb up, they get caught.
Thank you. I'm gonna go upstairs then. Someone's get killed. Is that the last one?
Two more alive.
Lonnie's the last one.
By the car. Oh,
God
what?
damn it. How do you escape?
Dude.
It wasn't downstairs, I was down there at the place.
Yeah.
There, I was leaving it right there and then.
Yeah.
I was breaking a couple obstacles nearby him. He had to be upstairs then. He had to leave from them. He must have been left by another door then. That sucks. Yeah. Pretty good though.
Great over the last few months.
That armadillo.
White, blue, and red orbs of light dangle and dance above the Chinani Mountains for several minutes before quickly disappearing into the blackness of the Chihuahuan Desert. Although the lights have been visible for over 100 years.
I'm not Leatherface, I don't need to charge them right away. He needs to charge them. If he doesn't charge them, he needs to play some more. Go back. I'm not be Leatherface in real life and find this fucker.
It's time.
Oh, we're on property today. Okay.
Right. Now we got legs to worry about.
You gotta shut the things on the floor. Make it easier for us to go around. They are trying to fucking go around us. I wish I had a chainsaw, man, or at least ability to break up some things around me.
If Grandpa was able, this would be over by now.
I love how this guy loves his grandpa. He believes in his grandpa so much. He's like, if my grandpa's around, you'd be dead by now. This will be over by now. I love that. Yeah. That's love for his elders right there.
Yeah.
I'm going inside. I think the point of locking this door anymore, it doesn't matter no more. You know why? Because everyone knows that door is just locked. I mean, no one goes through it. They'll go clearly right through the window.
Yeah. They know better.
I don't even know if there's little entries. I don't even think there's little entrances on the bottom of this place, huh? I like my Leatherface because I have the blitz. I have his collecting blood very high. It means he can collect a lot of blood downstairs.
Where the hell did those kids find us?
And stuff.
Should have been more careful.
That way, like, Grandpa can wake up faster. Shit.
Yeah,
Get stronger.
So we can spot them faster.
I gotta find this fucking Grandpa. Forgot where.
Only time you find him easily is when you find blood.
Oh shit! I think they're trying to get out already.
How do you hear them?
Yep.
Thank God they're making noise down there. Time to
Yep. They opened this door right here. You see one?
Nah, I hear one get his ass whooped, but that's it.
Yeah, Leatherface chasing. One's coming upstairs. Never mind.
Go ahead and hide.
Alright, coming up. I caught her ass. Not dead though.
You know, I was actually kind of.
Hello.
Oh shit, they're all by me. I got one.
I know.
Time to play.
I lost her, but I'm gonna find her soon. If you want to follow me, you get free kill.
They always try to hide. It's always the same game.
Got a trap by the door.
Honor. She's going through a crack.
Eh. Damn.
Worry about that.
He's doing his job alright.
Fucking lost.
This girl that was following, she keeps going to the same routine. Because I keep losing.
Nobody escapes me.
Must be Grandpa.
Alright.
I feel like there's someone definitely upstairs already. Means I think we should go upstairs. Or at least one of us should be staying upstairs. No, it's my turn! It's my turn to feed
It
him.
always tastes best when it's fresh, don't it?
How do you feed him that little? It's not loud. This is not loud. Now, if you guys are chasing him, I have a good thing you guys could do more shit.
Yeah.
Now, where did you go?
Use my ability. Who's left? Oh, 2 people left.
Yeah. Oh, found the chick. Damn. Damn, I lost her. Fuckers are
Yeah,
fast.
My ability is loading right now, means I can't use it right now.
Oh, they're opening a door.
Was that you though making that noise? Oh, that was him. That's Baba.
Oh.
That's Baba. Not Baba.
Yeah.
Yeah, Baba. Okay, I'm gonna use my ability again.
Where'd y'all run off to?
I wanna see if we can find any trips around them. Oh!
Found one.
Yep. You sexy girl. Do you have your number?
That's it. Die.
Locker room upstairs. No way none of them went upstairs. I'm gonna do my last run down here. I'm upstairs. Yeah, I've found one step down here. Means I think he's upstairs. It's the only way I could think of.
Now there's more than one door that's open.
Yeah, I know. It means he might. There's always been one door open. I've been pushing the whole game.
Oh.
Yep. He's here.
Oh.
He's upstairs.
He stabbed Grandpa.
How fucking dare he? Ah, he's not in here.
Gotta be nearby.
Being
Like
Grandpa now, though. He's not by Grandpa. I'm right here. I forgot my ability! Fuck this shit. Why I'm walking around like a madman? Oh fuck, I was too late. I should have been in here sooner. Fuck. Too late. His footprint already fucking disappeared. Sucks.
Die?
Found shown him?
I didn't see it.
Oh, outside. Oh, he's
Yeah, like-
outside? He's going down the well right now. He's going down the well, right in the back well.
Shit.
The boy was trying to open the back gates. He's downstairs where I'm at, right downstairs. He just climbed down, means he literally is down here. Fucking put
Right.
myself in. And guess what? If he jumped down a well, I could find where the well came from. Found his steps!
Nice.
Where did you go, buddy? Here, let's go around then.
Is that you opening a door?
Yeah, I'm banging the door. My ability I had to shut off for a minute. I'll follow his tracks more. Okay. He went down there. He's near me. He's downstairs.
Are you by the ladder?
Nope, he's not. Going ramp. You don't see me on the map anymore or something?
Yep.
I'm closing one of these gates so he doesn't have much ways to escape anymore. I don't need to worry about pushing just yet. I just need to worry about keeping him not from pushing doors and stuff. Try to get steps again. Try to get steps again. Try to get steps. He fucking opened the thing again. Yeah. Can you come here? Can you come here? He's on the other side. He's on this other side. He's on the other side. Kev, all guys where I'm at right now. He's playing Run Around the Roses with me. Fucking Leatherface was here with me. I went into game chat for him to say, Leatherface, get your ass over and get on the other side of the wall. You can pick how you want to die. You want to die by chainsaw, fucking pretty boy with a knife. Too short.
There it is, dancing around.
Fucking crazy, man. Yeah, that's why it feels like to have fucking Red Bull.
Yep.
Red Bull gives you wings. No, it gives you goddamn crazy sugar levels, it seems.
Yeah.
That was funny. That was a fun game. That was a fun. I think definitely the Hillbilly and this guy's my favorite two killers. Because you don't need to worry about, you don't even need to push with this guy. You just need to make sure you're smart. To make sure they're not doing anything special. Because the only thing you need to do is make sure you know where they walk from. And you always can find them again. But they do dry off a little bit, in a way. Like in every minute. A couple minutes. Want to do one more? Or is that it for tonight?
I'm probably gonna call it.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll be on tomorrow though.
Alright. See you tomorrow then. I'll be on tomorrow too.
So,
Let's have fun.
oh, yeah.
Peace out.
Peace.
Peace. Okay guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoy. And I'm so happy because yesterday I was playing this all day, having a blast. And I couldn't record. Something was going on with the video and stuff. You couldn't record it until Xbox. You can stream it and stuff. It means I'm happy to spend my time with you and have a joyous time playing this game. This baby gonna be my second top game I'm gonna play, just like For Honor and Dead by Daylight. We're gonna have a blast with it. I'll catch you later. Peace.